Thailand's Immigration Bureau reports mass arrests and deportations as part of a new crackdown on visa violators. Hi, I'm Milli, founder of Thailink.cc. The numbers are serious. From January to May 2026, immigration denied entry to almost 29,500 foreigners. On top of that, 668 student visas were cancelled. Officials say they were issued illegally, just used as a cover, and almost 14,200 people were arrested for overstaying or working illegally. All of them are now being processed for deportation. The raids weren't local, they happened all across the country in 190 high-risk zones. And here's something important if you live in Pattaya. Chonburi had the highest number of operations of any province, 147 raids, more than anywhere else. Right now, detention centers in Bangkok are holding over 600 foreigners waiting to be deported. That's the highest number in 5 years. So what does this mean for you? If your visa, stamp, or status isn't completely in order, now is not the time to ignore it. Check your documents now. It's much better to sort things out early than to end up part of this statistic.